Hi, today we'll talk about USB connection. Actually, every laptop has a USB connection, maybe 3 or 5 or any kind. It depends on the laptop manufacturer. So what is the benefit of USB connection? Now if we see in this schematic diagram, you can see here we have USB connection 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is kind of USB here. You can see USB 3.0 and here USB 2.0 is 2.0. Now if we see here from this schematic diagram, you can see here USB 3.0 connection, also here USB 3.0 connection, and you can see here USB 2.0 on connection number 4. What is the difference between USB 2, 3, or 1, or any one? Now we'll see. Now from this table we can see the USB version. We can, and also we can know the difference between USB 1, USB 2, USB 3, 4. So here USB 1.0 to USB 1.1. Actually, the difference between USB 1, 2, 3, it's the speed of data transfer. So the USB 1, the data rate of data transfer is 12 megapixel. This kind of USB was produced in 1996 to 1998. USB 2 transfer rate is 480 megapixel, and it's product on 2000. USB 3.2 generation 1 is data transfer is 5 gigabyte, and its product in 2008. USB 3.2 generation 2 data transfer is about 10 gigabyte, and its product in 2013. And USB 3.2 generation 2 multiply 2, that transfer rate is 20 gigapixel, and its product in 2017. USB 4, there is also generation 2 by 2 and generation 20 gigapixel. The transfer rate for this kind of USB is 20 gigapixel per second. Its product in 2019. And there is another version from USB 4, and the transfer rate is 40 gigapixel per second, and also its product on 2019. From this table, now you know what is the difference between USB 1, USB 2, USB 3, 4. All of this is version generation for USB, and all company, they they develop the USB transfer rate to make it very fast and more helpful. Now we back to the schematic diagram, and we want to know what is USB connection pins on schematic diagram. Here is page 36. We go to page 36. Now from schematic diagram you can see this is a USB connection. USB have four pin. Pin number 1 is for the voltage supply or VCC. It's always supplied by 5 volt, as you see here. Pin number 2, it will be data transfer minus, and pin number 4 is number 3 is data transfer plus, and pin number 5 will be ground. This is most of USB connection have this voltage. Now if you see here the pin number 2, number 3 data transfer minus and plus, it's go to south bridge. Now if you see here, this is the south bridge, and the USB connection is coming to this line, data in and out, to this part of south bridge. As you see here, all this part is connected with USB connection. This will take the data from any USB device, connect to the laptop, and transfer the information from south bridge to processor to hard disk to RAM to take any action for this. Also, as you see here, mini card while Wi-Fi LAN here also have USB connection. It will connect with south bridge, and the transfer data, give data or take data, it depends. Now we want to see what is the kind of, or how many kind of USB connection. Here, as you see, this is the cable of USB connection. As you see here, number 1 is the voltage supply, 5 volt. Number 2 is data transfer minus, and number 3 data transfer plus, and number 4 is the minus or ground. Here another type of USB connection. Here we can see many type of USB connection. Here type A, type B, type B mini, type B micro, type A also, type B, type C, and type B micro. Here, as you see here in this laptop, here is type C, and here type A. Now we want to see what is the benefit of USB connection. What we can use this USB connection port for laptop. You can connect to laptop. You can connect mobile by USB connection and transfer data from mobile to laptop. You can connect tablet also. You can transfer data from laptop to iPad. Also, you can make format for laptop, or make format or download any program to the mobile. Also, you can connect the internet from mobile to laptop by USB connection. Serial sound card for laptop is damaged, so you can disable the interior sound card, and you can use this USB connection as sound card. This is one of the solution if you don't want to fix your laptop, or you have some work and you cannot fix laptop that time, so you can use this sound card USB. This kind of USB you can connect with the USB and use it like here microphone and speaker. Also, you can use the USB flash memory and connect it with laptop to make it storage, data storage, or you can download anything from this flash. Also, you can download Windows system or install Windows system from this USB flash. If you don't have a CD-ROM, or CD-ROM maybe not work, so you can use USB flash, which has the bootable USB flash, which has Windows system, and you can download it. Here another connection. Also, you can connect this kind of connection, and this type C you can connect it with laptop, and from the other side it can give you the HDMI. You can connect the laptop to any LED TV or LED monitor. You can connect it from this board. Also, you can add USB RAM to the laptop to increase the interior RAM and make in order to make laptop is faster. There is also this kind of tools. You can connect this tools to in order to give you VGA connection, and you can connect any monitor from this port. Also, if you are interior Wi-Fi damage inside laptop, you can use this USB Wi-Fi in order to connect with the internet. It will be a quick solution for you if you have any damage in built-in Wi-Fi. Also, if your DVD-ROM is does not work, so you can connect this portable USB DVD-ROM. You can connect it to the laptop, and you can install any program from any CD. Here also you can use USB port. Now this is the benefit of USB connection. As you see, USB connection have many benefit for user. You can use it to make any solution for you. If you have any problem with any interior part inside laptop, you can use USB connection and to make solution for any problem. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.